Emergency. Nobody panic, but there has been a playtime incident. Luckily, Dr. Rob is on the scene with this, the emergency doctor's backpack from Legler, Smallfoot Company. I might not be what anyone would call a skilled, trained medical professional, but thankfully, we have this backpack with us. And this is the winner of the Toy Award 2022 preschool category here in Spielwarenmesse. Inside is everything you see right here. All of these authentic play versions of a doctor's apparatus. Everything is made of soft wood or cloth, and the judges for our jury were really impressed with the touch and feel of each of the utensils, with the materials being very eco-friendly as well. Let's go through some of them. Inside we have a wide array of doctor's utensils, from these bottles here, where we have some pump action hand sanitizers, or even a cloth surgical mask. I think these are all a bit familiar to us these days. It even gets quite advanced. This armband, for example, which I'll just stick on myself, can interact with some of the items, such as the saline drip. It gets quite in depth, this playtime. You can plug into the side of this armband and you can pretend that you are, on the mend in one of the wards. Or you could go even more in depth and get yourself one of these cloth bandages if you've had a teddy trauma or a doll-based disaster, and really get yourself bandaged up as well. And while you're there, if you want to call for help, there's even a little wooden walkie-talkie. Breaker, breaker, 1, 2. That was more of a trucker thing than a doctor thing, wasn't it? Again, I must stress, not a medically trained professional. And you can even listen to the heartbeat of your nearest and dearest teddy and make sure that all is well on the insides. And if not, they've even gone to the lengths of having a little soft wood defibrillator with magnets. I mean, playtime has never been more immersive. I've got a paramedic friend, and I know for a fact that his kids are gonna love this. As I said at the top, this is the winner of the Preschool Category Toy Award 2022. Be sure to stay tuned for more videos for more of our winners.